So we saved some cardboard packaging for Pete. He thinks it's the best toy he's ever had. He's busy destroying it. You think it's good? The other thing we've done is hidden some seeds down inside it, and that's what's keeping him interested. Should we put some more seeds in there for you? Yeah, you know what I'm getting, don't you? Here's a seed. Oh, oh, you little thief! Right. Here's your seed. Just go find it. Oh, you got it. Well done. What are you waiting for? Your seeds in the toy in here. That's more like it. Oh, I've made it too easy, haven't I? Anyway, he's had great fun. You can see he's been starting to chew little holes in it as well, in various places. So I don't think it'll last forever, but we're certainly going to be on the lookout for more nice bits of cardboard for him to play with.